Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Appify. So today in this video I'll be showing you how to change Bigo ID on Bigo Live. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, open up Bigo Live. Make sure you have already downloaded Bigo Live on your device. Now go to Me icon that is located on bottom right corner. It will navigate you to profile page. Here simply tap on icon that is located on top right corner as shown here. And now you will be navigated on this page. Now since you are here to change your ID, tap on this icon and scroll down until you find Bigo ID. Click on it. Here you can see that users can find you easily by search your ID. You can change it after set. It is clearly mentioned that you cannot change your ID after it is set. So you can know that you cannot change Bigo ID on Bigo Live. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.